I'm making this video since so many of you asked me how did I manage my time during my NEET preparation since I was a 2-year dropper, and I also joined BDS course in 2020. So replying to all of your queries, let's begin. Coming to class 11th. 11th and 12th, I went to Kota. Obviously, I joined Allen classes. And during those years, I was a quite bright student. And, and regarding the marks, I used to score pretty decent marks. I wasn't a very topper type of girl, but I wasn't even average. I was always above average. I used to score somewhat between 550 to 600. When I attempt in 2019 after my class 12th examinations, I scored 505 marks with a rank of 46,000. I do not exactly remember the figure. I really had very high expectations from me because all of my allied teachers used to hype me up since I was a bright. So I was expecting a lot from myself. I wasn't expecting so low marks, and in that year, so when I looked, I really did feel bad, but I did mistake somewhere or the other. So the biggest mistake that I found was I did not know how to revise effectively in the last month. That is the April before examination, before NEET 2019. And the second biggest mistake was I used to think जब तक मुझे वो चीज फील नहीं होगी ना अच्छे से, मैं उसके कॉन्सेप्ट में अंदर चली जाती थी बहुत ज्यादा. If you look into the physics, फिजिक्स में इतना ज्यादा नहीं पढ़ना होता है. You just need to know the formula and you just need to know how to apply that formula. That's it. NEET में सिर्फ इतना ही पूछते हैं. What I used to do, I used to revise each and every concept of physics, of chemistry, of physical chemistry एकदम starting से कैसे समझाया था क्लास में एकदम वैसे. I used to revise everything, even in the last month. So this was a mistake. I wasn't at all examination oriented. My preparation was not at all examination oriented. That's why I did not crack the exam with such a good score. But the best part about 2019 was I knew my mistake. So after 11th and 12th, spending my life in Kota, I again went back to Kota. I joined the Achiever batch. And this time, I was really very motivated. Before beginning my Achiever classes, I just took a notebook and I just noted down all my mistakes that I did while preparing for the NEET examination 2019. And I just made sure that I do not repeat those mistakes. I do not have to go so much into the details of all the formulas and the concepts. Second of all, my revision strategy should be very good. It should be exam oriented. So all these, and I did not know how to manage time during stressful conditions. Whenever there is exam stress, I did not know how to manage my time. I just wrote down all of them and I worked on them. I worked really very hard. So beginning of the first drop began with a notebook where I wrote down all of my mistakes that I did in my first attempt. So during my first drop, during 2019, I prepared a lot. I gave my 100%. I just tried my level best because I wanted a selection in a good medical college. And suddenly what happened in March 2020 was we were all called back to our homes because it was the COVID-19 lockdown. Because of the COVID-19 lockdown, we went back to our homes in March 2020. And after going home, I just lost all of my discipline. I lost the track of my time. I did not feel like studying. इतना प्रिपरेशन के बाद भी कॉन्फिडेंस तो बिल्कुल नहीं था क्योंकि एग्जाम डिले हो गया था. सब एकदम रिलैक्स स्टेट में चले गए थे. But still, I kept on studying. I did not take sufficient break. ना तो ब्रेक हो पा रहा था और ना ही स्टडीज हो पा रही थी. वो ये सिचुएशन हो गई थी एकदम. So still I tried my level best to study in that time. Came September 2020. I wrote my NEET 2020 examination. And after the results came, I was really very, very devastated. Very devastated, I must say. ऐसा लग रहा था दुनिया खत्म हो गई है. 11 से प्रिपरेशन कर रहे हैं. टीचर भी बोलते हैं इतने ब्राइट स्टूडेंट हो, सिलेक्शन हो जाएगा. पर ऐसा नहीं हुआ. फर्स्ट टाइम पर भी नहीं हुआ. कुछ ना कुछ गलती कर दी. सेकेंड टाइम मुझे अटेम्प्ट किया. I did not clear it. 599 marks with a rank of 20,291. I just did not know what to do. I just cried and cried and cried for days and months. Initially, we were expecting, when we had calculated the score 599, that I might get a college because उस टाइम पर 599 पर ठीक ठाक रैंक आ जाती थी. कुछ लास्ट का कॉलेज भी सही, नए कॉलेज भी सही, मिल जाएगा कुछ भी एमबीबीएस का कॉलेज. इट डिड नॉट हैपन. 20,000 रैंक ब्रेक करना इतना कभी नहीं लगा कि कॉलेज मिल जाएगा. रैंक आने के बाद तो आई वाज लाइक कंप्लीटली डिवास्टेटेड. आई हैड गिवन अप. आई डिड नॉट वांट टू स्टडी. आई डिड नॉट वांट टू स्टडी अगेन. ये थी कि मैं अपना 100% दे चुकी थी. आई जस्ट फेल्ट कि इससे ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क मैं कर ही नहीं सकती. इससे ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क हो ही नहीं सकता है. मैं जितना करना था मैं पूरा 100% दी थी 2020 अटेम्प्ट.